Welcome, and this is how to fix Android phone camera not working. So, guys, if you have this problem, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your phone. Now, once you are on the settings, you could just simply scroll down and then go for the apps over here. Now, here on the apps, just simply scroll down and try to find the camera application. Or if you cannot find it, you could use the search icon at the top right. Now, from here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the storage. And after that, you will have an option down below, clear cache. So go ahead and tap on clear cache. And this mostly fix the issue. If it doesn't, go back over here and tap on clear data to fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't work, guys, another option that you could try is just simply go through the settings and go for the software update and make sure you are running the latest version of the phone in order for you to fix any issues on the application. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.